Welcome to this edition of Spotlight. We are at Tiffany Ridge Elementary with Principal Shawn Fitzmorris. And Shawn, there's a new club at Tiffany Ridge this year called the Emerging Leaders Club. So tell us more about who gets to be a part of this club.
Well, we have fifth graders that could apply to be part of our Emerging Leaders Club, and we're really excited about it because we believe it's really going to build a lot of leadership with them, obviously as emerging leaders. They are doing some really cool things like running our spirit assemblies every quarter. Totally student run, no adult interference whatsoever, as well as doing a number of things around the school with those leadership skills. So we're really excited about it.
Well, let's learn more about what the Emerging Leaders Club does and how they prepare for big events like student-led assemblies as we spotlight Tiffany Ridge Elementary.
Emerging Leaders is basically helping out the whole school realize what they can do and how they can be better at things.
It's helped me to become who I want to be and who I strive to be every day, and to become the leader that I want to be when I grow up.
We do assemblies, so like every quarter we have a quarter assembly.
Especially, doing the upper level student leadership. I noticed when I was in elementary school, it was a lot of poster making, and we didn't really get to run the assemblies or do many of the kind of higher level leadership activities. And so I really wanted to kind of bring that to an elementary school.
With the assembly committee, you have to be able to stand up to the whole entire school and not be nervous and all that in front of them. And it shows them that you can put whatever you want to do, your mind to it. And that even though sometimes it seems crazy, like the first time I had so much jitters and all that, but you can still do it.
They've written all their scripts, as well as we've had gone up in front of each other and said what they're supposed to say, and we've had everyone else say a compliment and a thing that they should change or work on. So it's really good about constructive criticism as well as giving compliments, kind of teaching, standing up in front of each other, and they're really liking it.
Even kids can have opportunities to do something bigger and accomplish something greater than just what they do in their everyday lives. So it's really important for kids to be able to show what they're doing and their progress too. I think the best thing is speaking in the assembly, because you're speaking in front of the whole school, and I feel proud to be one that gets to speak.
When I was in fifth grade, the teachers were cool, and you always listen to them, but if there was a high school or another student, it was a big deal. And that's what I'm trying to get across, is that student leadership is cool, and it is, a good thing to be involved in.
I visualize her as she's our age and she's just helping us be better at things.
It's hard to take a step back and think that these are fifth graders doing this, not my fellow high school peers. They're working hard outside of the club, as well as every meeting. They're working very hard on this, and it's really cool. And I've gotten lots of feedback from teachers saying that was so cool that the students did that all by themselves.
All the little kids, they want to look up to us so they can be like, oh, I know them, or I want to be more like them. So we're the huge leaders in the school, and so it helps them become who they want to be also.
I hope I can help them to see their potential and what they can do, because this club has really helped me really become myself.